131. That is EJ Owero from Guimaras Islands, followed by Shana Banana Tamayo, rider 121. Checking in on third position, rider 22 from Baguio City is Mia Villalon, followed by rider 19 of Nueva Ecija, Pia Gabriel. EJ is down on the burn section. Now on the lead is Shana Banana Tamayo, followed by EJ Owero. On third is Mia, followed by Pia Gabriel. Darlene Dixon is on fifth position. Isay Pineda is on sixth, followed by Ella Agilpay. This is our ladies category. Once again, for the fourth Nagtipunan Invitational Motocross Challenge. This is going to be some action-packed race, but on the other side, we have here rider 121, Shana Banana Tamayo, breaking away from the pack. Once again, 121, Shana Banana Tamayo from Kochi, San Philippines, Taytay Rizal. On second position, we have Mia Villalon from Baguio City, Nano Moli, Philippines, followed by Yamaha Moto Philippines rider Pia Gabriel, Bike 19 of Nueva Ecija. On fourth position, 420 from Moto Philippines, we have here Darlene Dixon on the overtaking inside onto the stretch. Still overtaking on the stretch section, we have here Pia Gabriel back on third, Darlene Dixon on fourth position. On fifth, we have 216, Isay Pineda from Santiago City, 131.